Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials and taking immediate action. Inspect the cable and port. Use DisplayPort for higher refresh rates if available. Next, set your monitor to its native resolution and the highest supported refresh rate in display settings so pixels map correctly. Also update GPU drivers and check for monitor firmware updates. These often fix stutter bugs. Once done, restart the system to apply changes, and make sure the monitor's on-screen settings like overdrive or game mode are at defaults before optimizing. You now optimize the graphics pipeline for smooth output. Enable adaptive sync in your GPU control panel to eliminate tearing without inducing stutter. Then choose a high-performance power plan, disable CPU and GPU power saving that cause frequency drops, and lock background tasks that spike CPU usage. For games and apps, set a sensible frame cap just above or equal to your monitor's refresh rate to avoid micro stutters. Once configured, run a benchmark or a movie to confirm consistent frame delivery and note any anomalies. You finish by fine-tuning and validating the setup. Adjust monitor overdrive or response settings to reduce ghosting without overshoot, and choose an appropriate color/profile mode that doesn't add processing latency. If issues persist, swap cables or ports, and test the monitor on another PC to isolate hardware faults. As a last resort, roll back GPU drivers or perform a clean driver install. If the problem remains after these diagnostics, contact the seller or pursue an RMA. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables first to rule out the simplest fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.